USA Insurance Review 2024 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how much USA has grown in 2024, offering insurance and financial services tailored for military members and their families. But is USA insurance really worth it? Let's dive in. The first thing to know is USA's reputation. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just another insurance company. In reality, USA consistently ranks among the top for customer satisfaction and claims handling. It's known for excellent service, fast claims processing, and competitive rates, especially for auto and home insurance. USA offers multiple types of insurance: auto, home, renters, life, and even umbrella policies. For auto insurance, members often see rates 10-20% lower than national averages. Homeowners insurance is similarly competitive, with specialized coverage for military-related scenarios like deployment or PCs moves. One standout feature is their member benefits. USA provides tools like accident forgiveness, safe driving discounts, and bundling options that can save hundreds annually. Their digital experience is solid too, with a highly rated app that lets you manage policies, file claims, and even view digital IT cards. However, there are cons. USA membership is limited to military members, veterans, and certain family members. This exclusivity can be a deal-breaker if you don't qualify. Additionally, while their rates are competitive, some policies like renters or life insurance may not always be the cheapest compared to non-military focused providers. In conclusion, USA Insurance in 2024 is ideal for military members seeking reliability, excellent customer service, and specialized coverage. Pros, including strong claims support, competitive rates, and exclusive member benefits, outweigh the limitations for those eligible. If you qualify, it's worth seriously considering for both peace of mind and financial savings. For non-members, however, USA isn't an option, and you'll need to compare other insurers for similar quality and support.